They're known as fondant potatoes, but we're gonna call them melting potatoes with herbs around here. I've got a couple tablespoons of butter here in my iron skillet and a tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm just gonna slice the end off the potatoes. And then you wanna cut these at about an inch. That's it, just like that. Put them in a bowl. And I'm gonna hit them with a good amount of salt, some pepper. Okay, now take the potato, put it into that butter and oil mixture, let them do their thing for 3 minutes. Give them a flip.
Girl.
Grr.
Uh-huh.
Girl.
See how pretty that is? They're gorgeous.
That's in just 3 minutes?
This is in 3 minutes. So now I'm gonna take a couple cloves of garlic, a few sprigs of rosemary, a bunch of butter.
That's it? Wow.
And then a cup of chicken stock.
What?
Just like that.
That's why we're not
Now?
cooking it. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
This goes into the oven.
Oh, the oven.
Okay.
Oh, it smells amazing.
All right,
That's
guys.
true.
So
Right?
400 degrees, 30 minutes. Doesn't that look great? Jeff, this is perfect with your tenderloin. And then I like to hit it with a little bit of flaky sea salt at the end.
Is it melting?
Just soaked
Thank
up
you.
all of that liquid.
Oh.
Perfectly cooked, beautiful potato side that just melts in your mouth.